What's up, guys? I am gonna do a pot swap, repotting this Alluadia dumosa, my stick plant, into this pot, and then I'm going to be giving this pot to my Momordica rostrata, and of course the little Dorstenia fortita is down in there. He's so cute, little pop-up seedling. What a nice little bonus. Alright, so first we unpot this one. I'm curious to see what the roots look like because I haven't unpotted it in a while and there's something cocoony. What are you? I don't think anybody's in there anymore. Alright, first hold the plant, turn the pot. Oh, come on. Let's see. Ooh, it's really in there. Let me get a little pokey. Chopstick. Poke. Loosen it up around the edges. Okay, let's see if that helps at all. Boop. Oh my gosh. This is a big plant. Here we go, ready? Oh yeah, definitely time to repot it. It's like all roots. Sorry, bro. Wow. Look at all those roots. Wait, look what I found. Screen. Save the screens. Back with some soil. There's so many bins. Bins are so helpful. So I'm going to just empty that, put that to the side, and then we're going to take this and just go ahead and dump it all out. I'm going to mix it in. I'm not going to dump it all out. This is fine like that. I'm going to go and add some of this organic soil with the drainage materials. Okay. And I'm going to grab the Good Stick Plant. I'm just kind of teasing the roots out and down a little bit. And then I'm going to top it with really fast draining stuff. I don't really want to put that much more organic soil in there. Reason being, it's going to start cooling off in Houston pretty soon, supposedly. I don't know how long, but soil dries slower in colder weather, and we want our soil to dry fast. It's a succulent, and that's how they like it. Standing on its own. Yeah. That's it for now, and then let's put its cool rock back in there. Sans cocoon, whatever. Put that back in there. And I've mentioned it before in other videos, but when I put rocks in my pots or crystals, I like to put them in there and then kind of bury them a little bit so it looks more natural. It's not just sitting on top. It's kind of buried, like it's rising up out of the pebbles, the rocks, the drainage materials. Alright, one down. That was easy. I've been putting that off for a while. So I'm going to go move this out of the way. And moving on to the Momordica. Where did I put that screen? There it is, perfect. This is a cool little pot. It's just, Got it from some craft store, so it's like nothing super special. It's not unique like some of my other stuff, but it's just fine. I'm gonna put some organic soil and drainage materials down in the bottom. Hold that screen in place. Now my mix is typically organic soil, some turfus, some expanded shale, some pumice if I have it handy. But my husband came home with some orchid bark and used my potting station, so now there's orchid bark in there, which I'm not a fan of, but it's not a big deal. I'm just gonna have to make sure he doesn't leave that in my potting bags, because I don't like it, right? Alright, that's done. Now I want to be careful and not mess up this little dude. So first, let's tip out. Tip that out. I'm going to tip the top dressing. Try and get as much as I can in this little scoopy. And then now we're going to the organic soil. Set that aside. And I'm going to try and leave. So cute. Look. What's up, guys? I'm going to try and leave it all together like that. I think I put too much soil in. I'm going to take some off. We'll see. Here we go. Let's do root reveal. Squeezy, squeezy. And if you hold it over your pot, just add some of that soil back in there. I like to leave the soil that it came in, put it in the new pot. Just kind of like, feels like home, right, to the plant. So it's not too big of a shock. And then I want this tall part at the back. I think I like it just like that. Pack it in there a little bit. Should be great. Ooh, that's awesome. And just fill the rest up with this drainage material mix. Not very much organic soil. For the same reasons I spoke of previously. Cool. Alright. A little bit more. Wow. Very cool. Yeah. Yeah. That's a great fit. I really like it together. I like that I already had a pot hanging around. Something that I'd had in mind, like the shape of this pot for this plant, and then I put two and two together. I was like, ah, we can use that. Just move that other plant out. Evict it. It wasn't evicted. I think it was an upgrade. I really like the other pot too. And I have another little project that I'm planning on doing with these vines. So I'm gonna save that for another video. Stay tuned. Be sure to follow me wherever. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. That's where I post most of my videos. Very cool. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet. I'm gonna have to move some stuff around, but I like it. What do y'all think? Momordica rostrata and his little friend Dorstenia. Cool. Ta-da! And that's it. Feels good to finally get some plant chores done, huh? Alright guys, thanks for watching.